Research continued in developing systems that might power future space missions, yet undefined. Present-day rockets are, for the most part, liquid-fueled. Now under study are solid propellant rockets of equal or greater thrust.
This is NASA's Aerojet project. In the 1960s, this site was developed to experiment with various types of rocket fuels and to get humans to space faster than the Soviets. Aerojet also created the largest and longest canal found anywhere in the Everglades, and it was created to transfer the rockets to the Aerojet base by boat. Unfortunately, NASA decided to go with liquid-fueled engines, and this caused everyone to be laid off and the abandonment of the facility. With that being said, there is a dark side to this place. There's been multiple murders there, and some of the locals say people perform satanic rituals out there. So of course, after hearing this news, I decided to spend the night there.
And we're gonna camp in an abandoned missile asylum or some shit?
Near it, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see, the power works.
Watch where you step. Oh shit.
We were trying to get to the missile, but unfortunately the road that leads to it was filled with water.
It's a dead end.
We only had 30 minutes of daylight left, so we had to race back and find a building to sleep on before it gets dark.
Yeah, never mind.
We were starting to think that we were out of hope, but luckily the last building we checked was perfect.
The roof looks stable. Let's see. Oh, dude, this is fucking perfect. Hell yeah.
Now that we found a place to sleep, it's time to go get some firewood in the dark.
I think we need more. Let's get more. Yeah, let's get more.
Those are fucking fighter jets.
So after eating, we went to bed, and something woke us up in the middle of the night. We started to hear chanting in the distance, and it kind of spooked us.
You can hear the voices.
fire died, so we had to go get more firewood, which is probably not a good idea.
This is fucking creepy. Yeah, I think we're good with this. Let's try not to make too much noise.
Now that we got the firewood, it's time to go to bed.
We're finally heading home.
Not quite yet. I came here to see a rocket and that is what I'm gonna get. So I came back the next day with my friends and this is what happened.
Holy shit, dude. It's a rocket!